Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is write a Python program to generate a line plot of name versus salary. So given the employee details, that is name and salary, so you have to generate a line plot using the details of the employee. So let's do this. So in order to do this, so we require two libraries or the modules. First is matplotlib, and another library is I need NumPy. So let's import this. Import matplotlib dot pyplot as plot. So let's take an object and let's import the NumPy. Sorry, this is NumPy as NP. So once we get the required libraries, so let's take the object, that is a plot dot, let's set the title and let's name, that is line plot of name versus salary. So this is the name or the title of the plot. So once we get the set the name, so we have to take the values, that is employee details. So let's take a random values as employee names. So let's take variable x and let's take numpy dot array of employee names. Let's take a list and let's say John is the first employee, then Anna is the second, then Neo is the third, then again Sam is the fourth employee. So let's take only four details and yeah, so once we get the names, so let's take let's set the, that is label. So plot dot x label, and this is the employee names that I am passing. Yeah, so once we get the x details, so now let's take y details. So let's take y variable and let's take the salary, that is numpy array of salary. So let's give some random numbers over here. So let's take 10,000, then again some 8,000, then again something like 30,000, then fourth is something like 5,000. So these are the salaries, that is the y-axis is a salary. So now let's set the label of the y-axis. Let's say y label, and this is the salary. Yeah, so once we get the name and salary of the employee, so let's plot it. Let's use plot dot plot. This is a function and we have to pass the x and y values as the input arguments to it. So once we are done, so let's use plot dot show. So this will wait until the exit is done in order to show the graph or the plot. So this is a complete program to generate a line plot of name versus salary. So let me execute this. Yeah, so you can see the graph or the plot has been generated, and you can see employee names in the x-axis and employee salary over the y-axis, and you can see that is graph has been generated. John is 10,000, Anna is 8, then Neo is something like 30,000, and Sam is around 5. So if you hover it around, so you can see over here, so in the left corner. Let me close this. Yeah, so this is a complete program to generate a line plot of name versus salary. I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.